the storm is moving in, the sky goes dark and you feel the wind. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come in. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come in. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come in. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come in. Too much weight just holds you down, waiting for the calm to come around. And you harbor all your tears, your disbeliefs and fears. You will rise above, know that you are strong, though the road is long. There is always love to carry you home. When there's no solid ground, walls are closing in, and you hear the sound of your heartbeat through your chest. Oh, your head is spinning, you can't find no rest. And you harbor all your tears, your disbeliefs and fears. And you will rise above, know that you are strong, though the road is long. There is always love to carry you home. To carry you home, to carry you home when the ocean is too deep. Your climb is too steep, your dreams are out of reach. When all your faith is gone and you just can't go on, there is always love to carry you home. Home. To carry you home.